Konnichiwa minasan. Welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn 3 kanji in this video. Our first kanji is the kanji of make, produce. Second is the kanji of 3. Second kanji is the kanji of 3. And the third kanji is the kanji of 4. These two are the countings 3 and 4. So let's start with the kanji of make. Hajime masho. So guys, you can see here there are the 7 strokes in this kanji. Let's focus on the strokes. These strokes we have to follow to make this kanji. So first one is ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go roku, and the final one is ichi ni san yon go roku nana. So these are the 7 strokes of this kanji. Let's practice of the strokes. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon go, ichi ni san yon go roku, and the final one is ichi ni san yon go roku nana. So this is the final stroke of this kanji, which is having 7 strokes. Let's do one more time. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana. One more time. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana. Let's do it final time. Ichi ni san yon go roku nana. So these are the 7 strokes of this kanji. Let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is, you can see here, suku. If we will add the ru, then it will be a different meaning. And onyomi of this kanji is saku and sa. These are the 2 onyomi of this kanji which are written in katakana. Let's move to the meanings of this kanji. We will learn 4 meaning in this video. So let's move to the first one. Here you can see this kanji written this kanji as a prefix and as a suffix added ru. This is the ru here. So if you are writing these two together, these would be pronounced as sukuru. This is the dictionary form of this verb. I have already studied. We have already studied about the dictionary form of a verb. I'll drop the link in description. So sukuru means to make. Sukurimas means to make. Our second meaning is, again, our kanji is written as a prefix and we have written here bun. Bun also have a different kanji about which we will study later. So if you will write these two together, then we would pronounce it sakubun, and sakubun means composition. This is the second. Now let's go for third. Here again we have written this kanji as a prefix, and in the suffix we have written hin. So if we are writing these together, these would be pronounced as sakuhin, which means a piece of work. And the final is, here our kanji is written as suffix, and in prefix we have written do. They also have different kanji. So if you are writing these together, these would be pronounced as dosa, which means action. So this is the first kanji. Now let's move to the second kanji, which is the kanji of third. You can see here this kanji have only 3 strokes, which are very simple. These strokes have to follow. So let's practice all the strokes. Ichi, ichi ni san. Let's practice. Ichi ni san. One more time. Ichi ni san. Ichi ni san. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is mitsu. Su is a small and this su is different. And onyomi of this kanji is san. So let's move to the meaning. Here you can see this is our kanji which is written as prefix. Here you can see all the meanings. We have written this kanji as a prefix. In first meaning, if we are writing this kanji with su, then this would be counting of things, and which would be pronounced as mitsutsu, which means 3 things. This is the kanji of things if you are writing su. Again you can see the kanji, and this is the kanji of sun, about which we have already studied. So I'll drop the link in description, all these kanjis. If you are writing these together, they would be pronounced as mikka. Mikka means the 3rd day. This is the counting of days. Third one is counting of months. So here our kanji and the kanji of moon month. If you are writing these together, these would be pronounced as Sangatsu. Sangatsu means March, 3rd month of year. And the 4th one is San. Our kanji and nen also have different kanji, about which we will study later. So San nen means 3 years. So this was the second kanji. Now let's move to the final kanji of today. This is our final kanji. You can see here these are the 4 this kanji having 5 strokes. This is the final one which is completing 5th strokes. Let's practice. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon, go. So these are the strokes which we have to follow. Let's practice of the strokes. Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, and the final one is ichi ni san yon, go. Let's practice one more time. Ichi ni san yon, go. Ichi ni san yon, go. Ichi ni san yon, go. So this is our final kanji. Let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is yotsu, yon, and yo. These are the 3 kunyomi of this kanji: yotsu, yon, and yo. And onyomi of this kanji is shi, which is written in katakana. So let's move to the meanings of this kanji. We will learn here 4 meanings of this kanji. First one is our kanji and su added as a suffix, which means this is the counting of things. So these would be pronounced as yotsutsu, which means 4 things. And second is kanji of 4 and the kanji of sun. If we are writing these together, these would be pronounced as yokka, which means the 4th day. Third one is kanji of 4 and gatsu, kanji of month, moon. This would be pronounced as shigatsu. Shigatsu means April, the 4th month of a year. And the final meaning is kanji of 4 and nen is written as a suffix. So these would be pronounced as yonen. Yonen means 4 years. So this was the final video of our kanji. This was the final kanji of our video. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Then please do subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends, and please drop your valuable comments in description. I will surely work on those comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jai Mata.